please don't forget to click on that subscribe button and the bell icon to stay updated with all the videos we post in future from totsandmoms.com. Hi guys, good morning and welcome to Tots and Moms. I'm Kavita Prashant and today I'm going to make Choco Banana Pancake. Chocolate never goes out of fashion for kids, especially like anything with chocolate they would munch it on. So today we have included chocolate here and made a healthy pancake. You don't have to buy store-bought pancake mixes to make pancake. It is really easy and I'm going to show you an easy way of making it. So let's dive right in and see how to make Choco Banana Pancake. I'm taking a bowl and adding a ripe banana to it. Just peel off the skin and put them in pieces. With the help of a fork, I'll mash it. You need to mash it smooth, or if your kid likes chunks of banana as I've just made, you can just keep them that way as well. I'm adding sugar and a pinch of salt and nuts powder. This is to make it yummy and healthy. You can find the details in description box. Choco powder followed by honey. I'm adding 2 eggs. For baby below an year, you can add only egg yolk. For baby below an year, you can add only egg yolk. It's a healthy way of using eggs for baby who do not like egg in any other form. This doesn't give too much of essence of egg, and a soft pancake which can be given to little one as finger food as well. The batter is mixed well and is all ready. Now we'll heat a tawa or a pan and add oil to it. You can drizzle some oil or ghee or butter as well. Butter would make rather tasty pancake. Add a scoop of batter. You can even use some shapes, cookie cutters to shape them as your kid would like them to make it appealing. Drizzle some more oil or ghee. And once done, flip it over. You will have to cook it both the sides. As it is made of chocolate, it gets burnt very soon. So ensure that you keep an eye and flip it very quickly. So serve it with chocolate sauce or condensed milk. This instant Choco Banana Pancake is all ready to be served. Hope you liked this video, the recipe, and if you did, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and comment and tell us what sort of pancakes you all make and give me some ideas so that I can make some more videos and help other mommies who are in need. And subscribe to our channel because we will be making a lot of these sort of recipes and many parenting videos as well, and we would like you to see that and be with us. And thank you so much. Bye bye.